console program to check given number is prime number or not. Today is the last class for these logical programs, and tomorrow we'll start object-oriented programming to check whether a given number is prime or not. Right. So first of all, we need to understand what do you mean by prime number. First of all, we need to understand what do you mean by prime number. Yes. What is prime number?
Divisible by 1 and itself.
Yeah. What is the answer? A number
Which is divisible by 1 or itself.
which is divisible by 1 and itself. A number which is divisible by only 1 and itself is a prime number. Is a prime number. Okay, a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is a prime number. Okay, so yeah, example for prime numbers. Example for prime numbers. Right. Tell me.
3, 5, 7,
Correct.
11, 13.
Yeah. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Come on. Anyone?
3, 5, 7, 11,
13.
13, 17.
Oh, 1 minute. But what about 2?
2 is a prime.
Yeah, 2 is a prime number.
2.
Even prime number.
3. Next 5. Next one 7. Next one
5. You missed 5.
5. Right. Next 7 and so on.
7, 11.
Let's take 5. Let's take 5. 5. So we have numbers. Within the 5 range we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to check like this. Is 5 can be divisible by 1? Yes.
Yeah.
5 can be divisible by 5? Yes.
Yes.
But is 5 can be divisible by 2?
No.
3?
No.
4?
No.
No.
No. It can't divisible by 2, 3,
4.
4. Indivisible by 1 and itself. That's why 5 can be called as a prime number. In this way, you can identify the prime numbers. Here, our requirement is write a console program to check whether the given number is a prime or not. So, output is expectable output is enter your number. Acceptable output is enter your number. Suppose user entered 5. Then you have to say, you have to check it whether 5 is divisible by 5 should be divisible by 1 and itself. It should not have any other divisors in between. So after, is it prime number or not? It's a prime number. If it is prime number, you have to write it is prime number. If it is not prime number, you should say it is not prime number. For this, you need to write for logic. Come on. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Manasa?
Right. Next.
It's Shokma.
Okay, fine. Let's try this program. Console.writeline. Console.writeline. Enter your number. Enter your number. Right. Next, into n equal to into dot parse of console.readline. Console.readline. Yes. Console.readline. Now, right. into the parts of console.readLine. Now, right. Now you have to check whether it is a prime or not. How to check? Shivakumar,
For
tell me
loop,
the logic. Tell me. Hmm.
using this for loop,
Tell me. Now,
if
people should do one thing. Just now we have seen that between 5, you have 1 to 5 numbers. In this 1 is divisible, 1 and 5 should be divisors. 2, 3, 4, if you should check whether the 2, 3, 4 are divisors or not. Like that. So for that you need to use a concept called loop. For
For
I
I equal to
start from
1,
2 to not 1. You should start from 2
yeah, prime numbers.
less than n. I less than n means it will check up to 4 if n is 5. Okay. It will check I plus plus, I plus plus, I plus plus. Right. If
and
if yeah, if n modular I
I
equal to 0,
equals to 0.
if I modular n equal to 0, if I modular n equal to 0, right,
You have to take another variable to
variable
counter plus plus.
so counter plus plus, counter plus plus, after loop, if counter equal to 0, counter equal to 0, tell me if counter is 0 what?
It is not a prime number.
the prime number.
Think about that. Is it prime number or not prime number?
Prime.
Mhm. Right.
It's a not a prime
Well,
number.
you are not following my
Prime
logic.
numbers.
I understood.
Not a prime number.
I understood very well. In for loop, what you are doing, why I have taken I equal to 2, I less than n, because I am trying to check whether n is divisible by 2,
2.
3, 4. Because let's say n is 5, then n modular I 2, next 3, next 4. I less than n means 4 less than n, 5 less than n, 5 less than 5. Condition is what? False. So
False.
condition is checking whether 5 is divisible by 2, 3, 4. If it is divisible by 2, then you will get what? 0. 0 equal to 0 means control will enter into block. My question is, suppose n is 5. Then for loop will execute how many iterations?
3 iterations.
It will execute 3 iterations. In first iteration, I is 2, 3, 4. 3 iterations. Among 3 iterations, how many times condition is false now? Condition
3
is,
times.
sorry, condition is true.
0.
Condition is true. Condition
0 times.
condition will never true in this case if it is 5, because 2 5 modular 2 equal to
It's
0,
always
so false, and 5 modular 3 equal to 0, false, and 5 modular 4 equal to 0, false. 3 times also condition is false, means counter is incremented or not incremented.
not incremented. It is
not
equal to 0.
not incremented
So
means
yeah,
it is
prime number.
prime number, it is prime number. Not incremented means it is prime number. Suppose console dot write line, it is not prime number. It is not prime number. Means what? When let's say you are not entered,
Counter increases.
you are entered 6. You are entered what? 6. N is 6. 6 means you have how many numbers? You have how many
Four.
numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now 6, when it is prime number, generally, when 6 is a prime number,
When it is divisible by
by
sorry
1
1.
and itself. If it is divisible by any one of these numbers, then it is not a prime number. Then it is
It's
not
a
a prime
composite
number.
number.
Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
Yes, sir. So four iterations will be executed, and in the first iteration itself, the counter will increase to 1.
Now we have to check this
So
one. Now we have to check 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to check this. Now you let's say, right. So here what is it exactly? Yeah. Now 2, 3. So n is 6. 6. So I is what? 2. 6 modular 2. Come on.
0.
0.
0. 0 equal to 0.
2.
True.
Does into the
Counter will increment
ones.
1.
1. 1. Next to 3. 3 less than 6, that is 6 modular 3.
True.
6
0.
modular 3. 0. Again counter is what? Incrementing. So
Yes.
my question is, here for loop will execute how many iterations?
4.
4 iterations.
1, 2, 3, 4. Among 4, how many times this simple if will be true?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
At the time of I is 2, at the time of I is 3. So counter is incremented or not incremented?
Incremented.
When if it is incremented, this condition is
False. True.
False.
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 Counter is 2. 2 equal to 0. False. Else part will execute. It is prime number. You do one thing, guys. You do one thing. Yes.
Break inside the if block.
Sorry. Hmm?
We can keep the break inside the if block, right?
Yeah, that will,
After the counter plus plus.
but that we'll see later.
It's not necessary. No, sir.
Yeah, that is what I have also done. That I
Sorry?
have printed inside the if and then break.
No, you are printed what inside the if. What you are printing?
It's not a prime number.
You are trying in right. That you also you can do. Instead of that, you can keep the break. But first of all, try to you have to understand iterations. I'm not sure that everybody understood this logic. Let's trace. After tracing, why we have to put break also we have to identify. Then we will put what break. Okay? Yeah. Now I'm tracing. Are you ready? Right.
Yes, sir.
Get ready, all of you. Get ready. Yeah. Right. Console.writeline. Enter your number. Enter your number. 5. 5 will be stored into N. 5 will be stored into N. Are you ready now? Take pen and paper.
Yes, sir.
Take pen and paper, all of you. Keep pen and paper with you, all of you. Pen and paper. Take the values. N equal to 5. N equal to 5. Taken now.
Yes.
Next counter equal to 0. Taken now.
Yes.
Now I value changes also try to maintain with you. I equal to 2. Over I equal to 2. Taken all of you.
Yes.
Yeah, now Prashanti, ready now?
Yes, sir.
Unmute, right. Tell me. Tell me.
2 less than 5. 2 less than 5.
Get ready to be alert, all of you. Whenever I'll announce a name, that person has to unmute and get ready and give the like explanation. 2 less than
5.
5. Tell me. True or false?
2.
True. Then control will enter into for block. Right?
Yes.
Now tell me.
5 divided by 2.
5 modular 2. What? 5 modular 2. Is it 0 or not 0?
Not
5
equal to
modular
0.
2 is what? 1 actually. 1 equal to 0. It will be
False.
false.
It will.
The block will be skipping. The block will be
Yeah.
skipping. Encountered closing brace. Again, I,
Plus plus.
tell me,
3. 3 less than 5.
by next.
True.
Hmm. 5 modular.
Modular 3.
Hmm.
It is not equal to 0, so the block will be skipped.
The block will be false and skip. Again, I plus plus. Hmm.
4.
4. 4 less
Less
than
than
5. Hmm.
true.
So
5 divided by 4 is
5
not equal
modular
to
4. 5 modular 4. False. 5 modular 4
false.
equal to 0. False. Block will be skipping. Again, I plus plus. Hmm.
5.
5.
5 less
5
than
less than 5. 5 less
false.
than 5. Condition is false.
False.
And for loop will be skipping.
Skipped.
Counter is how much?
0.
Counter value 0. 0 equal to 0. True.
True.
Console
It is
data.
a
It is what number? Prime number. It is what number? Prime number. So it is what? 1 minute. It is prime number. So it will print it is a prime number. Right? Yes. Now you can see
yes.
why it is prime number. Very good. Now let's go with the next tracing. Next, unmute. You can unmute. Okay, now I am entering in. All of you people trace the logic. Change the value. Like change the values in on paper. 6. N is what? 6.
6.
6. Counter is
0.
0. I equal to 2. 2 less than 6.
True.
Enter. N is what? 6 modular I. I is what?
2.
No, I is 2. N modular. So 6 modular 2 is how much?
Equal to 0.
0 equal to 0. True.
True.
True. Control will enter into the block.
And if block.
Counter plus plus. Counter value will be how much right now?
1.
1.
Last is 0. Now it is what? 1. Now it is what? 1. And encounter closing brace. I plus plus
3.
3. Here one important point you can observe. In the first iteration itself, counter is incremented. But still it is going to execute how many iterations in this case?
4. 4. Total 4.
2 is 1,
Or 3.
4,
Total 4.
5. Till 3 more iterations it's going to execute. But 3 more iterations are required or not required?
Not required.
Not required.
Because already it's a prime number. So in this, to skip the remaining 3 iterations, here your requirement is once counter plus plus move the control out of the for loop. Once counter plus plus don't execute remaining iterations. That is the case. Here we need to use a control statement called
Break.
Great.
break. Break. That's the reason here you can see now 6. Enter 6. Enter your number 6. I have entered 6. 6. Yeah. Counter equal to 0. I equal to 2. 2 less than 6. And the 6 modular 2. 6 modular 2. 0. 0 equal to 0. True. Counter plus plus 1. Break. Break will move out of the loop. Out of the loop. Now counter. Counter. 1 equal to 0. 1 equal to 0.
False.
Equal to 0. So
False.
false. Block will skip. Else will execute. Console dot write line. It is prime number or not prime number?
Not prime.
Prime number.
It is not a prime number. It is not prime number. Okay, na? So that is the story about this. Okay guys, now you need to try one homework I am giving here. That is assignment for you. Right. Write a console program to display prime numbers within given range, to display list of prime numbers within given range. Within given range. Enter your range. Enter your range. Enter your range. Right. 10. Let's say 10 user entered. Right. List of prime numbers are, come on, tell me. List of prime numbers are
1, 3, 5,
2,
7,
1, 2,
4,
3,
2, 3, 5,
5,
7.
7.
Ah,
11.
That's it.
2.
That's
That's
it.
it.
what about
That's it.
9? 9?
That's all.
9 is
Not prime.
Not
Nine.
prime number.
divisible by
9 is a prime or not?
Not
Not, not.
Not a.
not prime.
prime.
9 is divisible by 1 in itself. Any other
Three.
tables are there?
3.
3.
1,
3.
3.
Okay, like that. And you have to, are you clear? Generally, here people will ask you, write a console program to print list of prime numbers with the given range. This is one homework for today. Okay, right. Next to, yeah, we'll go to the next level. Next task is write a console program to reverse the given string. Write a console program to reverse the given string. Right. What is that? You know, expectable output is enter your string. Let's say you entered Rama. You have to reverse it. After reverse, you have to print Amar. Rama reverse means Amar. Come on, try. Here I'll tell you one small hint for you. I will give you one hint for you. Right. What is the hint? You know? Listen. Whenever you take a string variable, and in that if you assign some value called Rama, every character of the string will be representing with one index value. 0, 1, 2, 3. First character index value will be 0, second 1, like that. And that string will be representing with a property called length. Length. Length is the property which represents the string length. Suppose Rama length is how much?
4.
R-A-M-A, 4. Okay. Now you can check, you can try. What you can do, uh, what you can do, you can take another string variable. You can assign this string value from the last character to that string first value, first character, like that. Take one more string variable and use loop and try for this. Come on. String. Enter your string. String s1 equal to console.readline. Console.readline. Enter your string console.readline. Okay. Now string, you're taking another string s2 equal to null. for int I equal to, come on, I equal to, I is index value of the string. I equal to,
No, S1.
I equal
No.
to,
Yes.
not like that.
String dot length
First
S1 dot length minus
first
1.
string length, first string last character index value. First string is S1. Last character
S1 dot length
length is length. Rama
length
length is
minus
how
1.
much? 1 minute.
Length minus 1, yeah.
Rama length is how much? R 4. And but last character index value is what?
Yeah.
3.
3.
3.
That's why length minus 1 and I tell me I greater than or
Right.
Less than 0.
I less than or greater than a
Greater than equal to 0.
Greater than
Later.
Equal to 0.
greater than I think greater than or equal
Yeah, greater than 0.
Greater than equal to 0.
I minus 1
I minus.
I minus. Now yes. Okay guys. Now second string that is S2 equal to S2 of S2 equal to S2 of come on I plus S1 S2 okay S2 of wait, wait, S2 is the second string S2 S2 S1 of come on what is that S2 plus S2
S2 plus S1
of I
and then I of I, yeah.
and console.write line
S2,
need to print second string. Second string is what S2.
S2.
S2 will check it. Amma, Amma. You do one thing. Before my tracing, if you will do tracing, it will be good for you. You do manual tracing for this guys. Do manual tracing. Come on, do it. Do take pen and paper. Gamma. You try to complete tracing, manual tracing. Yeah. Now, yeah. Right. So let me trace. You also take pen and paper. You also take pen and paper. OP. First, the statement is executed. Enter your string. Move the cursor to next line. Console.readline. Suppose user entered Rama. Rama, I'm storing into a variable called S1. Right now, S1 is Rama. Right. Next to S2. S2. Let's take one variable called S2. S2 value right now is initially you're initialized as null. Now for loop into I value maintain like this I value equal to S1 dot length. S1 means Rama dot length. 1,
4
2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1.
minus
How much?
3. 3.
3.
3. And I is what? 3 greater than or equal to 0. True.
True.
Control will enter into the for block. If you will learn programming like this, you don't require any BTech qualification also, I'm sure. Right now, S2. S2 equal to S2. Right now S2 is null. Null plus S1 of I. S1 of I. S1 of I. S1 is first array.
A.
First array I. See here 0, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
3. So S1 of I is what? 3. S1 of 3. S1 of 3 means what? You will get what?
A.
A. A. That is A. Finally, null plus A. So that A will be assigned into S2. Null will be removed and A. Null is nothing but nothing. Encountered the closing brace. I minus minus. I minus minus means
2.
I is 2.
2. 2. 2 greater than or equal to 0. 2.
2.
Enter. Now S2. S2 is what? A. A guys. A plus S1 of S1 of. Try to understand. S1 of I. I is what? 2. S1 of 2 means S1 of 2 means M. M means S2 is what already A concatenation.
Yes.
This is nothing but concatenation. Plus
M.
Z M.
Yeah.
M. A plus M will be assigned into S2. S2 means now S2 is reinitialized with what you know A and M. AM like this. Are you understanding? Okay, reinitialize. Right. Encountered the closing brace I minus minus
1.
1 greater than or equal to 0. 1 greater than or equal to 0. True. Control will enter and S2 equal S2. See always
AM.
this will execute first. S2 is what again A plus S1. S1 of I is what 1. S1 of 1. 1 is what A.
A.
A. I'm sorry, S2 is not A. S2 is AM. M plus
A. M. A.
A. M plus A. That will be initialized to S2. That value will be initialized to S2. That's why
Yes.
old value is AM. Now it is what? AM.
M. A.
AM. Encountered closing brace. I minus minus 0.
0.
0 greater than or equal to 0.
True.
True. Entered into loop. Now S2. S2 is what? S2 is what?
AM.
A.
AM.
A.
A. M. A plus R.
S1 of I. I is what? 0. S1 of 0 is what? R. 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 A. M. A. R. That will be initialized to S2. Means now this time A. M. A. R. Amar. Encountered closing brace. Okay. I minus minus. Minus 1. Minus 1. Sorry. Minus 1. Not 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 greater than or equal to 0.
False.
False. False. For loop will be skipping console dot write line of S2. S2 is what? Amar. Amar. Are you clear? Yes. That is the story. Okay, na? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because see why? Because sometimes when you are attending interviews, to check your logics, they will give you. May not ask all the programs. In India, they are conducting written tests for all these things. They'll give you a paper, 10 programs come on you. But in US, what I observed, the interview is going on. They want to, you are explaining very well. They felt that might be you are very strong theoretically, may not be that much strong in programming. Then they'll ask you suddenly, they'll ask, come on, you write logic for this, logic for that. So most probably they'll ask these type of questions what we are discussing. I'm sure about that. It will not miss. Okay. And I'm sure you are ready to answer for the program on paper within 2 minutes in front of them. They will feel that you are good in programming. Okay. Right. That's it. Okay. So and it should be under my Ramabanam. In Telugu, you will call it as and Tirugundaddu. It should not. Are you clear? What we are at the time of attending interview, you should enjoy the interview. I'll make you like that. I'm sure. The day one, everybody will say, "I will make you like that." This that is not matter. The day end is important. End of the training also. Yeah, this training will go may slow, but I'm sure it will be very effective for your future. You should also take very serious about every assignment. Okay, right? Over. Next, I'll give you one more question. The question is almost your logical programs are going to. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Next program is write a console program to check given string is polyn polynedron on the noise. You are in noise from your side immediately. To check given string is a palindrome or not. Here palindrome or not. What do you mean by that? Take a string, reverse it. If first string and reverse string both are same, then it is a called palindrome string. For example, output is right. Enter your string. Enter your string. You are telling Rama. Rama. Reversed Rama is what?
Amar.
Amar. But Rama and Amar both are same or not same?
Not same.
That's why it is not palindrome. Right. Next, one more output. One more case study. Yes. Tell me one palindrome string.
Nitin.
Yeah, Nitin. What is it?
Nitin. Nitin.
Is it palindrome? I don't know. Little.
Yes, it is. Nitin.
We'll check it.
And the level?
Little. If you will reverse also little only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is a palindrome. It is palindrome.
Done, sir.
Palindrome string. Over. Right. Come on. Fine.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Right. Because the above logic only. Above logic only. Just you have to write one more condition. Come on.
Yeah, if both strings are same, as string 1 is equal to string 2.
Are you going through my materials, my books?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hyderabad, it is
This one
hard.
is equal to S2, then it is a palindrome.
Now, are you reading the books? Books are good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those books are hard cake in Hyderabad. Most of the people will carry the books.
Sir, this one I have done a little differently. I think it.
Sorry.
Can you check that? So this one I have done a little differently.
No.
Like I have
See,
taken the
I
first.
want to tell you more important point. Listen. A program you can write in multiple ways. Now maybe I'm showing one way, but don't stick with that. You write different ways. You try. That is called learning programming. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, my actually I had a question. This one, what I did that I compared the first uh, character with the last character, and if that doesn't match, then it's not a palindrome. I mean,
You are
it's
checking
in the
that.
for loop.
Instead of
I
that,
did the same. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
instead of that, simple ways. You see, very simple. Now you are in company. You want to go to your home. You have multiple ways. One way is you can go by bus. You can go by car. You can go by local train. You can go by two-wheeler. You can go by cycle. You can go by walk. You can take a lift of others. So n number of ways are there. You have to check which should be the best. But finally in all the ways you can reach your home. Okay. Enter your string. Reversed. Reversed. Okay. Now what we have to do? Okay. What we have to do after reverse? If
S1.
S1 equal to S2. If S1 equal to S2. If S1 equal to S2, then what we have to say?
Console dot write line.
Console dot
String is palindrome.
console dot write line. It is what is that?
Palindrome.
Palindrome.
Palindrome. Palindrome.
It is palindrome string. It is palindrome string. Palindrome string. Else it is not palindrome string. It is not palindrome string. Okay, so right. Are you clear? Right. That is a story about this.
So actually my question was, sir, initially when you gave the first program, to reverse, I tried to do S2 and then the index, but it didn't work. It says that it's read only and we cannot. So that is my question. That can you just
Wrong.
elaborate?
Whatever logic you have written, that is wrong. You have to check. You have to do like.
No, if is it the case that we cannot put S like S2I in LHS?
Listen. I'll discuss with you about that last end of the class. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Now come back to our discussion. Let's check this. Compilation and execution. Enter your string Rama. Suppose you have entered Rama. When you entered Rama, you can see what happened. Enter your string Rama. S2 equal to null. Okay. And finally for loop is reversed. Reversed. S1 contain Rama. S2 contain after for loop. S2 contain Amar. Rama equal to Amar. Rama equal to Amar.
False.
Come on. True or false?
False.
False. So else part will execute. It is not palindrome string. It is not yes. It is not palindrome string. Suppose you are entering like this, right? Enter your string. Let's say Nitin. She told about Nitin. Nitin. It is palindrome because Nitin. If you reversed also maybe Nitin. Nitin equal to Nitin. It is what palindrome string. Like. Are you clear? So next to program. Next coming two programs are bit complicated, but don't disturb. You try to understand the logic, remember the logic. Okay. Generally in interviews they will ask you this. That is, one task is write a console program to reverse the given number. Write the console program to reverse the given number. Given number. Write a console program to reverse the given number. Right. OP. Right. Enter your number. Enter your number. I entered 1, 2, 3. I want to print 3 to 1. I want to do reverse and I want to print. Come on, do it. Yeah. Next task is write a console program to check given number is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. Palindrome means reverse. After you reverse the number also, if the both are same, palindrome number. Like tell me some palindrome numbers.
6, 7, 8.
6, 6, 7, 8.
Maybe some 6, 7, 21 to 32.
Palindrome number. Okay, check these two programs. Check these two programs meanwhile. Okay, just 5 minutes I'm off. I'll off my screen and voice. I'm just checking other mails. Meanwhile you try. Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm checking. I'm just switch off my screen and voice. This one. Right. Yeah. What is that? Reverse of the given number. Logic is different, little tough only. Yeah, you see this. Console dot write line. Yeah, enter your number. Enter your number. Console dot write line. Enter your number. Right. Right. Enter your number into n equal to int n equal to, right, come on, tell me, into
Console dot
dot
dot pass of console dot read line.
console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay, right. Next two, come on. You need to take what into rem, comma, rib. Rib means reverse. Rib means reminder. Reminder. Tell me. While of n not equal to 0. I'll explain the logic. Try to understand. Try to remember. Okay. So maybe it's tough only. Yeah. Tell me what is that? Rib equal to n modular 10. And rib equal to rib into rib into rib into
N
plus
plus
reminder.
rem.
Reminder. N equal to n by 10.
10.
N by 10. And finally n by finally console dot write line noise console dot write line of console dot write line of and let's check this logic, compilation and execution, right, 1 2 3 1 2 3, you are getting 0. Huh? Come on, somewhere logic is wrong. Where?
Sir, right line should be rev, sir.
Not
Reverse.
actually here. Actually, you need to print what n equal
Should be there, sir.
reverse.
If reverse.
Right? But here you have to print the reverse as well.
Reverse.
Okay.
You have to print the reverse. Remove value. 1 2 3 3 2 1. Okay, 3 2 1. So catching this logic your own is, I'm sure, not that much easy. Nowhere in your real time you will write a logic to reverse a number. Just we are discussing this program only two reasons. One is maybe your logic may improve it, but another main reason is in interviews people will ask this program. There is a chance. Okay, that's the reason. Try to understand with my explanation and try to remember this logic. Only for the sake of interviews. Nowhere in real-time projects you will write the logic to reverse a number. Are you clear? Nowhere in your real-time program you will write a prime number program. Nowhere in your real-time even number program. In our projects you don't have all these requirements. These are all we are implementing to improve our programming skills and in the sake of, for the sake of sometimes interviews, not 100%. Okay, now right. So yeah, nowadays what even in US also what they are doing, because I'm every batch I check with our students how the interviews are going on, and uh, in India for first level screening I'll do for some companies, telephonic screenings, but most of the time the people will not spend don't want to spend with the resources much time for interviews. That's the reason what we are doing, sending one examination paper to all the people, like some like programming list, making like this type of, and asking them to write the exam through live photo meeting or through TeamViewer. They will write the logic in front of us. So by that we will shortlist the people for the second round. So if the people are having programming skills, then they will call for what, like oral interview, personal interview, or telephonic oral interview. Right now. We'll trace the program, guys. Yeah, we need to trace for this. Come on, paper, all of you. Take pen and paper. Yeah, this tracing is challenging only. Take pen and paper, all of you. Take pen and paper. I am tracing. You also take the values simultaneously. Different tracing this time. Yeah, what is that? Listen. Different tracing. Different tracing means We'll go with all the iterations. My question is, if you entered, user entered n, let us assume 1, 2, 3. N value is, let us assume n is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then remove rem and rib. You see, while loop, if it is 1, 2, 3, while loop will execute how many iterations, guys? If it is 1, 2, 3,
123.
iterations, 3 iterations. In fourth iteration, condition will be false. Now you see, first iteration, second iteration, and third iteration. Coming to first iteration, second iteration, and third iteration. Yes. Coming to first iteration. Right, better. N not equal to 0. N is what? 1, 2, 3 not equal to 0. 1, 2, 3 not equal to 0. Yes. What is the result?
True.
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 True. Then rim equal to n. N is what? 1, 2, 3 modular 10. How much? M is how much?
3.
M is how much? Whenever you modular a value by 10, you will get the last value. What is the last value?
1.
3.
3. 3. Next to rib equal to rib is how much? 0. Rib is how much? 0. 0 into 10 plus rem. Rem is how much? 3. 3.
Oh.
Try to understand. Again, I am writing the statement clearly. You observe. Rib, because this statement is executing. Rib equal to rib. Rib is how much? 0
0.
into 10 plus rem. Rem is how much? 3. 3. We are in first iteration 3. Here you can observe. Whenever you have an expression like this, so you have to apply the board mass. Any idea about this?
Yes, sir. Bracket,
Board
division,
mass
multiplication,
first bracket.
addition.
First bracket. Whenever expression is having multiple operators, that evaluation will be based on the rule board mass. Bracket priority, second of, third word division, fourth multiplication.
Division.
A means
Addition, subtraction.
subtraction. So first priority bracket, next of, next division, multiplication. So here division is not there, multiplication is there, and addition is there. In multiplication addition part, first it will give addition or multiplication? Multiplication. According to that, first it will evaluate this expression. According to first it will evaluate this expression, second it will evaluate plus. So 0 into 10, 0, next to plus, what is that? 3. Plus 3. Finally, what is the value? 3. Okay, so finally, rib is what?
3.
Rib is what?
3, sir.
3.
But this is okay now. 1, 2, 3 modular 10. What you will get? This is
Sir, it will give
3,
the
sir.
I'm sure. Reminder.
Yes, reminder.
3 modular 10.
3 will remain, sir.
1, 2, 3 modular 10 means, come on, 10, 1, 10,
1 sir, 12, 10,
2,
23, 2 sir, 20, 3 is the remainder.
3 is the remainder. Okay, here also 3 is the remainder. And here reverse value is what? 3. And n equal to, try to understand. N equal to n. N is what? 1, 2, 3 by 10. 10. 1, 2, 3 by 10 means 12. 12, right? This is 12.
Yes, sir.
12. Okay. Finally, first iteration over. Control encountered the closing brace. Control will go back second iteration. In second iteration, n not equal to 0. N is what? 12. 12 not equal to 0. Come on.
True.
True. Next, reminder equal to n. N means 12 modular 10.
Total of
Modular 10.
yes.
Modular 10. How much?
2.
What is the value?
2.
Remainder is 2.
2. Next to review. Review equal to review into. Review is what? Old review value is how much?
3.
3.
3 into 10 plus yeah, what is that? Reminder. Reminder is what? 2. Reminder is what? 2, huh? Right. Now in this 30 plus 2, how much?
32.
Review is 32. Review is 32. Next to n equal to n. N is what? 12 by 10. 12 by
1.
what is that?
1.
1. Okay. Now control encountered and go for third iteration. In third iteration, n is what? 1 not equal to 0. True.
True.
True. Now rem equal to n. N. Rem equal
1 by 10.
to what?
So
1
remainder is 1.
modular 10. 1 modular 10. How much?
1.
1.
1.
Many ones.
1. Next to, come on. 1. Next to review.
Reverse.
Second statement. Review. Reverse. Equal to, I'm writing like this because we don't have the space. I'm writing in the second line. Review. Review is what? Old review value. 30 into 10 plus review. Plus review is how much?
1.
Rem is 1. Try to understand. Here first it will execute this 32 into 10.
20.
T20 plus 1. T21.
320.
There's the space, that's why bit face of confusion. 321. 321. Next last statement. Last statement is n. N equal to n. N is what?
1 by 10.
1 n.
1 by 10.
1 by 10. 1 by 10
Percent
is
is
how much?
0.
0. 0. Okay, na? 0. Then control will go to again fourth iteration. In fourth iteration, 0 not
Condition is
equal to 0.
false.
Condition is what? False. 0 not equal to 0. Condition is false. While loop will be skipping, control will go to print review. But review is what? Review is what?
21.
1. Like this.
321.
21. Okay. So, like logic tracing is very like maybe getting bored. Right. Now that is this program reverse number. To check whether given number is a palindrome or not means what? Palindrome means what?
Remainder.
Reverse equal to original number.
Right. For that what we have to do?
N equal to reverse.
So you have to take a temp variable also. Temp equal to n because n is becoming what? 0 last. And after that what you have to do?
If reverse equal to 10.
Is temp equal to reverse?
Equal to tempo.
Temp.
Temp is first value. Temp is which value? First value. Temp. Okay. Tempo is equal to temp. If both are matched, palindrome or not palindrome?
Polynomial.
Palindrome.
Right. Console dot write line. It is palindrome. Palindrome number. Okay. Now right. Now you can say
It's not palindrome.
palindrome number. It is palindrome number. It is not palindrome number. Right. Okay, na? Right. Now you check this logic. All of you guys get ready. Get ready. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Not palindrome.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 stored into tempo. Tempo. Finally, this loop will convert 1 to 3 as stored into 3 to 1. 3 to 1 in Ribu. Now Ribu is what?
1 to 3.
Ribu,
3 to
Ribu.
1.
Ribu 3 to
3
1.
to 1.
Temp is what?
1 to
1
3.
to 3.
3 to 1 equal to 1 to 3. True or false now?
False.
False. So it will execute else part. It is not palindrome number. It is not palindrome number. Okay, it is not what palindrome number. Okay. Right. Now compilation and execution. Right. Now Frio, are you there? Frio. Frio. Right.
Yes.
Yeah, are you listening?
Yes, but I don't understand it.
Which one? This reverse number, huh?
No, 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 no. Today I'm lost at all.
Why? Any problem?
I didn't understand it.
Okay, logical programs are like that only. Don't worry, I'll send you the recording to you. You listen 2 to 3 times, then you will get more clarity. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
That is the best way. Logical, don't disturb. I'm sure couple of people will get bit of tough in these classes yesterday and today. That's why I asked you again and again whether we are interested or not. But if you didn't understand well, you don't worry. I'll send you the recordings, these logical recordings to all the people. This yesterday today's session. You listen again and again and you try, definitely you will get. Now 1 to 1. Next 1 to 1. 1 to 1.
Yes, sir. Please.
What is it?
Please send it to me too.
1 to 1, because nowhere in your real time you write a logic to reverse a number. Don't worry. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Yes, temp is 1 to 1. Reverse is also 1 to 1. 1 to 1 equal to 1 to 1. True or false?
True.
True.
It is a palindrome number. Else will be skipping. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Right, over. Okay, right. How many are facing difficulty about these logical programs? Honestly, tell me. Few, I understood about few. Next, anybody?
Sir, I am also facing difficulty.
Okay, but you are writing. I observed you are okay. Next,
Yeah, but the last one and this one I
forget
got
about
little.
one or two. Few is not happy with yesterday and today class. I understood very well because the logical programs will disturb the people. Teja, next. Vinil, next. No, no. It's not like that. Uh, uh, right. Yeah. See, 4 5 people are next. Sravanti, next. Next. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Don't worry.
Needs a lot of practice. Sir.
See, logical programs. Somebody can enjoy. Somebody will feel like what you know. Very like boring. I'm sure, but it's improve your programming skills. One day you may not understand. But my advice is I'll share these two recordings to all guys. You listen whenever you are having free time. You listen. I'm sure. Try to improve your programming skills. Okay, right? Yeah, guys. Next, last program. Don't worry. Up to here, maybe yesterday, today, who got bored. Tomorrow onwards, you will enjoy because tomorrow onwards we are going for a concept called oops. Oops, who will enjoy, the people who are like hardworking people will enjoy because oops is not dynamic. Oops is what? Static concept. Static concept means Babu goes right, take left, there you will get a signal. If green continue, if red stop. This is oops, means no confusions. Okay, just a concept, rules, regulations. So there you will enjoy. Tomorrow onwards, coming 10 15 days, oops only. Everybody will enjoy like anything. At the time of interview also, 90% in US or India interviews, everybody uh, uh, right, this everybody will ask hopes only. But logical programs also, I'm telling you, in all my batches, this time I went it very cool and very planned manner. Planned way I went it this time. I felt myself, I know that. But I'm sure, see, it will not reach somebody in immediately because of their background or whatever, but you will get. That's why I'm sharing all these recordings to you all people. Two recordings. Okay, right. Now we'll go to next and last program. So with this, we'll wind up this. I know that's why I kept also a deadline for these programs. For you is write a console program to print Fibonacci series. You know about this?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you, don't worry. Up to given range. See, Fibonacci series means this is called Fibonacci series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This is called Fibonacci series. 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Like that. This is called Fibonacci series. Okay. Right. Output is enter your range 100. I said 100. 100 is my range. I want Fibonacci series up to 100. 100. Okay. Display the Fibonacci series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Tell me. Again. Come on. Start from all the people. Come on. Tell me. 0.
1,
1, 1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
5,
5,
5,
8,
8,
13,
13,
13,
21,
21,
31,
34,
34,
34,
13 plus 21, how much? 34, huh?
34,
Next.
55,
55,
1 minute. 21 plus 34, 1 minute, 1 minute. 21 plus 34, how much?
55,
55,
34 plus 55. Next.
89,
89.
That's it.
That's it because the range is 100. You try. Okay. Yeah, very simple. Take A, B, C. A, B, previous two numbers you are printing as a third number. Right. Come on. Try for this. It's a different logic. Console dot write line. Enter your range.
enter your range.
Enter your range. Into
N equal to
dot parts of console dot read line.
read line.
Every time we are implementing typecasting. Read line. Yeah, every concept you will enjoy now. Oops, ASP, ADO, I'm sure. Into A equal to 0. Into B equal to 1. 3 variables. Into C equal to also 0. While of
A is less than N.
less than N. A less than equal to na less than.
Less than equal to.
Less than equal to.
I think equal to also you can. Let's see. We'll see. Now print what?
Console dot write.
Console dot
Right to
A na
yes.
A plus tab.
C equal to A plus B.
A plus B.
A equal to
A
B.
to B.
B equal
B
to
equal to
C.
Console dot reading.
B equal to C and console dot read line. Console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay. Yeah. Console dot read line. This is the logic. Let's check whether it's working or not. Later we will trace. It's working. Now I'm going to do tracing now. Yeah. You observe. We will do tracing for this. Let's enter small amount because yeah, up to 10 we'll check. Okay guys, let's trace. Take pen and paper, all of you. Take pen and paper, all of you. Take na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we'll trace. Okay guys, get ready for tracing. Yes. Okay, not visible. Anyhow, we can guess like this. Okay, right. Yeah guys, ready? Tracing, all of you. Right. Do it like this. Yes. Yes. Here I'm printing OP. Yes. Enter your range. Enter your range. And N. User entered 10. 10 you store into N. Okay. Yes. Now A value, B value, C value. What else? Okay, A value, enough. Okay, fine. A value, B value, C value, I am writing here. Now try to understand. A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 0. So try to hold, see, you should like concentrate and every moment that only you will get. While A is what? 0 less than or equal to 10. True or false?
True.
True. Console dot write of A 0 space. C equal to A plus B. And A plus B means C equal to 0 plus 1. 1. A equal to B. Equal to B. 1 second. Hold for 1 second. Right. Sorry. A is what? 0. C equal to A plus B. 0 plus 1. 1. A equal to B. A equal to B. Come on.
Is 1.
1.
1. B equal to C.
1. 1.
B equal to C.
1.
1.
B equal to C. 1.
1.
1. Encounter the closing brace. Go back to the next iteration. Next iteration. A. A less than or equal to n. A is what?
1.
1.
1. You tell me. A is what? You.
1.
1.
1.
Tell me. 1 less than or equal to n. N is how much?
100. 10.
10. 10. We have taken 10. 10. 1 less than or equal to 10. So console dot write of A. A means it will print what?
1.
1. C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B.
2.
Q. A equal to B.
1.
B equal to C.
2.
2. Encountered closing brace. Go back. A less than or equal to 10. A is what? Again.
1.
1.
1.
Console dot write of A. 1.
2.
1. C equal to A plus B.
1 plus 2.
3.
3.
3. 3. A equal to B.
1 plus 2.
A equal to B. 2. B equal to C.
2.
B equal to C.
3. 3.
3. Encountered closing brace. Again go back. Go back. A less than or equal to 10. A.
2. 2.
Less than true. Again, console dot write of A
2.
is equal to A plus B.
2 plus 3, 5.
5.
Right.
A equal to B 3.
3,
B equal to C
5.
5. And encounter the closing brace. Again, what is that? A 3 less than or equal
3
to
less than
2. Console dot write of A. How much?
3.
3.
3,
B equal to A plus B.
8. 8.
8. A equal to B.
5.
B equal to C.
8.
8. Encounter closing brace. Again go back. A means what? 5. 5 less than or equal to 10.
True.
Right. 5.
True or false?
True.
True.
True, sir.
Console dot write of A 5
5.
equal to A plus B
13.
13. A equal to B
8.
equal to C
13.
13. And closing brace. Again go back. 8 less than or equal to 8 less than or equal to 10.
True.
So console dot write of A
8.
8
8.
equal to A plus B
21.
21. A equal to B
13.
13.
13.
13. B equal to C
21.
21.
21. B equal to C 21. Alright, encountered closing brace. Go back. A is what? 13. 13 less than or equal to 10.
False.
False. Skipping the while loop. Okay? Skipping the while loop. Like this. This is the series. Fibonacci series. Okay? So, right, next to, okay, next to, this is the last program. I'll give you, can I give you a couple of assignments? Couple of assignments. Tasks.
Yes, sir.
Already you have I think number series, and try this also. Task 1. Write a control program to display the sum of square of given numbers. Means you enter your number. You entered 1, 2, 3, but I want like this. What is that? I want like this. 1 square. Try to record the question. Here, my requirement is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 1 square, 1 plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. How much? Plus 3 square.
9.
Right. 5 plus 5 plus 9. How much?
15.
14.
14.
14. For this, you need to write the logic. Yes. Sum of squares is result 14. So same program you write for cubes. Write a console program. Same program. Sum of cubes of given numbers. Enter your number. Come on.
Plus 8 plus 27.
Sum of cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Sum of cubes is
36.
Sum of cubes is right. Means what? What is this requirement? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube 1 plus 2 cube
8.
8
8.
3 cube.
27.
37.
Now tell me what is the value?
36.
37.
9 9 29 36. Right. Okay. So this is the one requirement. Can I give you some more or enough? Task 3. Write a console program to convert the given string into uppercase. Enter your string. Rama, you convert into capital letters. And as well as same thing you can write for lowercase. Next, task 4. Are you recording to all? Task 4. Write a console program. Write a console program to display the number of words in given string. Enter your string. Rama is a good boy. Number of words are, tell me how many words are there?
5.
5.
5.
5. Like this. Same. Task 5. Write a console program to find the number of spaces in given string. Number of spaces 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, na?
So isn't it the same logic for both the programs, 5 and 6?
1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay? Right. Next. Any more?
Sir,
No.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the lowercase and uppercase, are we supposed to use the string functions or?
Yeah, use string function first. Even the reverse string also you are using length property, predefined method. Okay. First you can do what you know. You can use that string function. Then you try with logic without that also. First trial is with the predefined function. Second trial is with your own logic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. I think that's enough for today. Okay. I will give more also. You will get bored. Okay. That's enough. And tomorrow class is most important. We are entering into hoops programming. So don't miss tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you very much. You can